Adventure-based parenting. It's about restoring relationships, motivating an active lifestyle, and fostering resilience. One of my favorite topics, one of my favorite weeks with our 12-week adventure-based parenting program is nutrition, because it has to do with food, and I love food, and I fix lots of food for my family, and food doesn't just feed everybody, but it tells a story. I just am very connected with food and what it means, and it creates memories for my family too. So nutrition is very important when we're being outdoors, going outdoors. It's also an opportunity to build relationship and teach your kids about nutrition and what the best calories are to invest in when you're out camping. The food you eat out there, you will remember, whether it's amazing or you just had to eat it because those were the calories you had out there, or maybe you brought the wrong spice, or you burnt it, or you dropped it. There's so many different pieces that can build resilience in you and your family as you plan and prepare and live out those plans. So I look forward to sharing more about nutrition and some fun ways to build that into your adventure-based parenting. Our next cohort starts in October. I hope you can come join us.